Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, solve the polynomials division. And we have to solve minus 6q square minus 6q square plus 17q plus 45 divided by 3q plus 5. Okay, now do that division. Minus 6q square plus 17q plus 45 divided by 3q plus 5. Okay, do that division. Now to get a minus 6q square, we need to multiply this by minus 2q. Now multiply minus 2q to that bracket 3q plus 5. So we get minus 2q into 3q is minus 6q square. Then minus 2q into plus 5 is minus 10q. Do that subtraction, so signs will change. Minus 6q square plus 6q square is 0. Plus 17q plus 10q is 27q. Move this 45 down. Now to get a 27q, we need to multiply 3q by 9. So take a 9 here. 9 into 3q is 27q. Okay. Then 9 into 5 is 45. Do that subtraction. So that signs will change. 27q minus 27q is 0. Plus 45 minus 45 is 0. As our remainder is 0 here. So the result of our polynomials division is our quotient, which is here minus 2q plus 9.